Hello, happy quiz day. I know you're excited for this, so let's get started, shall we? Short quiz, 8 questions, take your time, here we go. On numbers 1 and 2, their question is asking, determine whether AB is a tangent to this circle C. Now, in order to be a tangent, you've been taught that the tangent has to make a right angle with the radius. Now, how do we determine if it's a right triangle, you might ask? Well, what we're going to do is use the Pythagorean theorem. So you're going to want to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Identify all your parts of the triangle. For example, opposite the right angle is always C. This would be A, this would be B. Plug those into this equation. If you get the same number on both sides in the end, then your answer is yes. He is a right triangle. This tangent makes a right angle. If you don't get the same number, then the answer is no. That's how we do numbers 1 and 2. Numbers 3 through 6. All right, we're going to find the measurement of these arcs, different arcs. So, the first one is talking about the measure of RS. So, right here. How many degrees would that be? Number 4 is talking about ST. So, from S to T, how many degrees? Now, one thing I want to clue you into is, remember, from R to T, this is a semicircle. Semicircles equal 180 degrees, right? So if you know this whole thing's 180, and you know, if you figured out RS here in number 3, subtract those from 360. Remember, there's 360 degrees all the way around a circle. So subtract those, and you'll be left with ST. Then, number 5 wants to know RTS, going this way. So remember, we just talked about this being a semicircle. Then just add what you got for number 4 onto that 180. And that'll give you RTS. That's a major arc. And number 6, RST. So RST. Use some common sense. If this is 180, that half, well, what do you think this half would be? Numbers 7 and 8, we're to figure out the value of x. All we have to do is set these two up equal to one another. Okay, so you're going to have x plus 8 equals 5x minus 4. Solve for x. And down here, 4x plus 5 equals 6x minus 9. Okay, and solve for x. And that's all she wrote, folks. Make sure you put all of your answers over on the blanks. Show your work, maybe do it on the back. If you have questions, please contact your local educator. Have a great rest of your day. God bless.